Boost your YouTube earnings, tips for small creators. Hey YouTube fam! Today we're diving into some game-changing strategies to help small YouTubers boost their income. We're talking about going beyond just AdSense and finding creative ways to monetize your passion. We're gonna break down 5 key strategies step by step so you can start seeing those earnings climb. It's gonna be epic. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's talk about diversifying your income streams. It's like having multiple superpowers instead of just one. If one power weakens, you've got backups. Relying solely on AdSense is risky. You're at the mercy of algorithm changes and fluctuating ad rates. But when you diversify, you create a safety net for your channel's financial future. Think of it like this. Imagine all your earnings coming from a single tree. What happens if that tree gets sick or a storm comes? You lose everything. But if you have a whole orchard, with different types of fruit trees, you're protected. Diversifying means exploring multiple avenues of income generation beyond just those YouTube ad revenues. We're talking affiliate marketing, merchandise, sponsorships, memberships, the works. This approach not only minimizes risk but also opens up a world of opportunities to maximize your earning potential. It's like having a treasure map with multiple X's marking the spot. More income streams equal more stability, more freedom, and more opportunities to grow your channel even further. So get ready to diversify and conquer the YouTube game. Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, where you get to share awesome products with your audience and earn some serious cash while you're at it. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now, affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services that you genuinely love and use. These could be anything from tech gadgets and gaming gear to beauty products and online courses. The possibilities are endless. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program with a company, and they give you a unique link or code to share with your viewers. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity. Your viewers are smart. They can spot a phony sales pitch from a mile away, so only promote products that you truly believe in and that align with your channel's niche. And don't forget to be transparent. Clearly disclose your affiliate partnerships to your audience. This builds trust and ensures that you're staying on the right side of the FTC. Affiliate marketing is like having a team of salespeople working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. So start exploring affiliate programs that resonate with your channel and watch those earnings roll in. Chapter 3. Merchandise, gear up your fans. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and create your own line of merchandise. This is where you transform your loyal viewers into walking billboards for your brand. Imagine seeing someone rocking a t-shirt with your channel logo on it. That's next-level brand loyalty right there. But seriously, merch is a powerful way to connect with your audience on a deeper level. It allows them to show their support, rep your channel, and become part of your community. Plus, it's a fantastic way to generate some serious income. Now, when it comes to designing your merch, think outside the box. Don't just slap your logo on a plain t-shirt and call it a day. Get creative. Design unique hoodies, hats, phone cases, mugs, or even custom-designed fidget spinners. The possibilities are endless. Once you've got your designs ready, it's time to find a platform to sell your merch. You can set up your own online store, partner with a print-on-demand service, or even explore collaborations with established merch companies. Remember, quality is key. Invest in high-quality materials and printing to ensure that your merch is something your fans will be proud to wear and use. After all, they're representing your brand. Merchandise is a fantastic way to build a strong brand identity, foster a sense of community, and of course, boost those earnings. So, get creative, design some awesome merch, and watch your fans become your brand ambassadors. Chapter 4. Sponsored content, partner up for profit. Alright, let's talk about sponsored content, the land of brand deals and big opportunities. Now, when you think of sponsorships, you might picture those mega influencers with millions of followers. But guess what? Small YouTubers can get in on the action too. Sponsored content is all about partnering with brands to create videos or other content that features their products or services. It's a win-win situation where you get paid to create awesome content and the brand gets exposure to your engaged audience. The key to landing those sweet sponsorships is to build a strong, engaged community around your channel. Brands are looking for creators who have a loyal following that trusts their recommendations. So how do you snag those brand deals? Start by reaching out to brands that align with your channel's niche and values. Create a compelling media kit that showcases your channel stats, audience demographics, and previous successful collaborations. And remember, authenticity is everything. Don't promote products or services that you don't genuinely believe in, just for a quick buck. Your audience can see right through that. Sponsored content is like leveling up your YouTube game. It's an opportunity to collaborate with amazing brands, create high-quality content, and of course boost those earnings to the next level. Chapter 5. Exclusive Content. The VIP Experience. Alright, time to unlock the next level of YouTube monetization, exclusive content. This is where you reward your most loyal fans with premium content and perks that they won't find anywhere else. It's like giving them VIP access to your channel. Think of it like a secret society where only the most dedicated fans get to enter. You can offer exclusive content through platforms like YouTube memberships or Patreon, where fans pay a recurring fee for access to bonus videos, behind-the-scenes footage, live streams, early access to content, and even personalized shoutouts. Exclusive content is all about building a strong sense of community and rewarding your most loyal supporters. It's about going above and beyond for the fans who go above and beyond for you. Now, when it comes to pricing your exclusive content, find a balance that feels fair to both you and your audience. Consider the value you're providing, the cost of creating the content, and the pricing models of similar creators in your niche. And don't forget to promote your exclusive content. Let your viewers know about the awesome perks they're missing out on by not being a member. Tease upcoming exclusive content in your regular videos and use call to actions to drive signups. Exclusive content is a powerful way to deepen your relationship with your audience, reward their loyalty, and create a sustainable source of income for your channel. It's time to roll out the red carpet for your VIP fans. Let's make some money. There you have it, folks. Implement these strategies and watch your YouTube earnings soar. Remember to stay true to yourself, create awesome content, and always engage with your amazing community. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.